A cleaner office means healthier employees, fewer sick days, and a better first impression. I'm Olivia for the Cleaning Group, and today I'll share 5 simple ways to keep your workplace healthier between professional cleanings. Germs spread quickly on items everyone touches. Think door handles, light switches, and shared equipment. Wiping them down once a day with a disinfectant can help stop illnesses before they start. Clutter traps dust and makes it harder to sanitize surfaces. Encourage staff to keep work areas tidy so they can be cleaned more effectively. Dirt and debris get tracked in on shoes. Placing mats at all entrances reduces the amount of dust, allergens, and moisture that enter your building. Overflowing trash cans are a breeding ground for bacteria and bad odors. Emptying trash daily helps maintain a fresh, clean environment. Provide hand sanitizer, stock restrooms with soap, and remind employees to wash their hands regularly. It's one of the easiest ways to keep everyone healthy. These 5 tips will help you maintain a healthier workplace between professional cleanings. But for a truly spotless office, call the Cleaning Group at 630-631-2428 or visit cleaninggrp.com. Let's keep your business clean, safe, and welcoming.